It's Steve and Maggie.
Oh, wow! Look! A baby pig! A baby pig!
Oh, Maggie, a baby pig is called a... Oh, hello there. You know what a baby pig is called, don't you? Yeah, a piglet.
A baby pig is called a piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. Piglets on the farm!
So, Maggie, now you know. A baby pig is called...
A piglet!
Oh, Maggie, you naughty, naughty bird. Quick, let's get all the piglets back.
Yay! We did it!
Super! That's not a piglet.
No, look! A baby sheep! A baby sheep!
Yes, Maggie, but it needs to go back to its mummy.
Okay.
Go on. Go on, go. There you go. So, boys and girls, what is a baby sheep called? Did you say lamb?
Good job! A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Little lambs on the farm!
Yes, everyone, a baby sheep is called a lamb. Not again! Say with me, you naughty, naughty bird. Come on, let's find all the lambs.
Finished! Yay!
Great! Uh-oh, something's not right, is it, boys and girls?
No! There's a baby goat! A baby goat!
Which needs its mummy. Go on. Okay, there you go. Back to your mummy. So, Maggie, what is a baby goat called?
I don't know!
Oh, then let's tell Maggie.
A baby goat is called a kid. A baby goat is called a kid. A baby goat is called a kid. Little kids on the farm!
So say with me, but quietly, a baby goat is called a kid. Oh, no, here we go again. Phew, all the kids are back.
But Steve! I can see a baby cow! A baby
Oh,
cow!
dear. It can't stay here, can it? Oh, come on. That's better. You're in the right place now.
Steve, what is a baby cow called?
Do you know? Let's see if you're right.
A baby cow is called a calf. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby cow is called a calf. Little calves on the farm!
Okay, Maggie. Now, don't scare the cows.
Okay.
Go and sit down and be quiet.
Yeah.
Oh, right then. A baby cow is called a... Oh, Maggie!
Sorry.
Oh, dear. Oh, now we have to round up the calves. Oh, no. What now?
Look, Steve,
Oh,
look!
dearie me.
A baby horse! A baby horse! Yeah!
Oh, Maggie, wait! Maggie! Oh, wow! Good job, Maggie. You got the foal back to its mummy. Oh, now you know. A baby horse is a foal. Yeah!
A baby horse is called a foal. A horse is called a foal. A baby horse is called a foal. Little foals on the farm.
Quiet, Maggie. Don't scare the horses.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
Oh, wow! Trick, please! You can scare Steve! Come in, come in! Let's make this house a haunted house! Run and hide!
Yeah!
In here! In here! Yeah! Oh, hide here! Hide here! Good idea! Hide here! Yeah!
Spooky, it's a very spooky time. Oh, hey! Ooh! Ha-ha! I've got some Halloween sweets for the kids that come to play Trick or Treat. Hey! Oh, hey! My door is open. How strange. Maggie, are you here? Oh, where is that naughty, naughty bird? Oh, it's just the door. But that's not the door. I think there's somebody upstairs. But I'm not scared. Oh, okay, I am a little scared. Come on.
Halloween is spooky, it's a very scary time. Halloween is spooky, I've got monsters on my mind. What's in here? What can you see? Can you see a monster? No, don't be silly.
Oh, look, there's a skeleton in my wardrobe.
Skeleton!
Oh dear! Oh, what's going on, boys and girls? Oh, and what's in my dining room? Oh, don't be silly, be brave.
Oh, Halloween is spooky, it's a very scary time. Halloween is spooky, I've got monsters on my mind. What's in here? What can you see? Can you see a monster? No, don't be silly!
Oh, a little red devil, a little red devil, a little red devil! Oh, naughty little devil! Oh, I'm not going back in the dining room, no way! Oh, what was that? Oh, Maggie, is that you? Oh, it's Maggie being a naughty, naughty bird, isn't it? Oh, something was here, and it wasn't Maggie. It went that way.
Halloween is spooky, it's a very scary time. Halloween is spooky, I've got monsters on my mind. What's in here? What can you see? Can you see a monster? No, don't be silly.
Oh, look, a vampire, a vampire, a vampire.
Nice work, vampire! Yeah!
Oh, my house is a haunted house. And now there's a witch in my living room. But where?
Halloween is spooky, it's a very scary time. Halloween is spooky, I've got monsters on my mind. What's in here? What can you see? Can you see a monster? No, don't be silly.
Oh, there's nothing there. Oh no, I'm being silly. There's nothing there. Oh, a witch, a witch, a witch. Oh, there are monsters everywhere. A ghost, a ghost, a ghost. Oh. It's just kids playing trick or treat. Treats for everyone. Happy Halloween. Wow. Oh, hello! Oh, I'm so excited to show you, ta-da! My new house! Come on, let's take a tour. Oh, and hey, spot what's missing. Yeah, come on, come on! The kitchen! Yeah! The living room! Way! The bedroom! Way! The bathroom! Hooray! Oh, my bottom! Oh, and that's why you don't run on the stairs. But hey, did you spot what's missing? Yeah, the furniture! Oh, listen, here it comes! Hooray! Okay, Maggie, back! Back! Back!
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, stop! Oh, no!
Steve's not strong enough, so I'll take the wardrobe.
Oh,
Yay!
hey! What? What did Maggie say? Not strong enough? Huh. I'll show her.
I know! The wardrobe in front of the door! That's funny!
Look at me, boys and girls. Oh, so Maggie, who's not strong enough?
You!
Oh, you naughty, naughty bird. Come on, time to get to work. Oh, just something light, Maggie. Well, I'm going to move something heavy.
What is it? What is it? It's a bed. What is it? What is it? It's a bed. It's a bed.
Oh, maybe it's
I
too
can
heavy.
take it!
Oh, Maggie, you naughty, naughty bird. I could carry it. I'm strong enough. I'm strong enough.
I know! The bed in the bathroom! That's funny!
What is it? What is it? It's a toilet. What is it? What is it? It's a toilet. It's a toilet.
It's a smelly toilet.
I'll take it!
Oh, great, Maggie. Take it away. Right, what's next?
Oh! Now Steve can poop in the living room!
What is it? What is it?
It's a bath.
What is it? What is it?
It's a bath.
It's a
Bath! Oh, it's heavy, boys and girls, but I can do it. I can do it. Oh, I'm strong. I'm super strong. Hey, what? Oh, Maggie, you naughty, naughty bird. I am strong enough.
Oh, yeah! A bath in the kitchen! Oh, abracadabra!
Phew, finished. So hey, let's take a tour. Hey, welcome to my new house. Yay! Oh, what? 2 doors? Oh dear. Oh, hey, oh dear. Oh no. Who put my wardrobe there? And how do I get in? Aha, there's a window. Oh dear, this is crazy, using a window as a door. Oh dear, silly me. But hey, this is my living room. Huh? Oh, a toilet? Oh, why is it here and not in the bathroom? The bathroom! Oh! Oh, what? Why is my bed here and not in the bedroom? The bedroom! Oh! Okay, what Where? Oh, who put the fridge in my bedroom? Oh, it must be
Dinner time!
Maggie in the kitchen. The kitchen! Oh! Maggie! Maggie! Oh, Maggie!
It's your dinner, Steve! Yay!
Oh, what a crazy, crazy bird! We're singing the Halloween Finger family song. Yeah! Zombie finger, where are you? Oh, let's catch the skeleton. Yeah!
Skeleton, skeleton, where are you? Skeleton, skeleton, I see you!
Come on, let's try to catch the zombie.
Zombie, zombie, where are you? Zombie, zombie, I see you!
There's a vampire in the garage. Come on, yay!
Vampire, vampire, where are you? Vampire, vampire, I see you!
Oh, look, there's a witch behind the hedge. We can catch her if we're quiet.
Witch, witch, where are you? Witch, witch, I see you!
Oh, where is the witch? Where's the zombie? Where's the skeleton? Oh,
Skeleton, skeleton, where are you?
Here I am. Here I am.
Oh, how do you do?
yay! The skeleton's back. Now let's call out for the zombie.
Zombie, zombie, where are you? Oh, how do you do?
Yay! Now let's call out for the vampire.
Vampire, vampire, where are you?
Here I am. Here I am.
Oh, how do you do?
What a spooky vampire. Now let's look out for the ghost.
Ghost, ghost, where are you?
Here I am. Here I am.
Oh, how do you do?
Okay, let's call out for the witch.
Witch, witch, where are you?
Here I am. Here I am.
Oh, how do you do?
Yay! Look, we found all the Halloween monsters. Happy Halloween, everyone! Yay!